Season it like you would always do. Salt and pepper. Wrap it up, put it in the fridge. I sliced a garlic clove into thin slices. I'll slice some mushrooms. A couple slices of cheese. This is Fontina cheese. A nice melty cheese, mozzarella would work too. I'm gonna slice it into the thickest part, a little channel in there. Okay. See that nice little pocket we formed in there? I'm gonna put cheese. Then the garlic. And mushrooms. Go ahead and really stuff it in there. Push it, press it back together. So now that breast is stuffed. Okay, we'll do the same thing for this breast. Okay, I've got my grill heated to just under medium heat. I'm gonna throw these on the grill. Okay, it's been on there for about 8 minutes. It's got a nice sizzle going. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. Okay, that's just right. Tell me that doesn't look delicious.